Welcome to the 100 Metros Weave tool. This site is a compilation of data from a variety of sources and is expressed in terms of metropolitan statistical areas, or MSAs. We are going to explore some of the most important functions which will help the user understand where a metro area stands within a national context. Let's check it out. There are four main components to the site: the legend, the map, the bar graph, and the data table. We'll explore all four in detail. Beginning with the legend, you may be familiar with its functions from the Neighborhood Nexus Weave tool. Notice how each MSA on the map is color coordinated with a value on the legend. Click on the Median Household Income 2010 variable to access the Attribute Selector menu. Here you have the familiar categories on the left-hand side and the variables on the right. You can also quickly search for a topic using the search bar. Pick an interesting category, select Save and Close, and you can start to see some very clear trends. Next, we will examine the map. Each MSA is represented with the colored circle, which corresponds both to a colored value on the legend and on the bar graph. Mouse over some of the cities and see where they are in the graph. If you are interested in a specific region, you can easily create a geographic subset by choosing the Selector tool and then clicking and dragging over an area of interest. Once the cities are highlighted, go to the Subsets menu, then click Create Subset from Selected Records. Notice how the values in the legend and the bar graph both adjust to the highlighted records. Click Show All Records to bring back all 100 metros. This tool is useful to examine regional trends for given values throughout the country. By now, you may have noticed how the bar graph interacts with any function from the color legend or the map. The graph's default setting is sorted from lowest to highest, which allows you to quickly ascertain where your city lies within a countrywide context, as well as the highest and lowest valued city based on the designated variable. Click on the % bachelor's degree or higher variable to access the attribute window. Here, you will see the familiar categories and variables layout. To change a variable, first you must select Remove All to clear out the existing variable. Then you can choose any variable you wish to display. Select a variable, and the bar graph automatically sorts the 100 MSAs based on that variable. Once you are satisfied with your variable, click Save and Close to go back to the map. Remember that at any time you can minimize the graph or any other window to focus specifically on your graphical display which best represents your interest. Now we will explore the data table located at the bottom of the window, which is currently minimized. Open it up and start adding some variables. Use the Open Selector button to access the Attribute Selector. Pick a few variables that you would like to export for analysis. Once you're finished, press Save and Close. To export your data table, click Advanced, then Export Data. This will open up a Save As browser. Name your table and save the data wherever you would like it. Note that the default format for Weave is a .csv file. Once you open your table in Excel, you can change it to any format you wish. The last trick we will learn is how to export the image for reports and presentations. Right-click on the map, then select Print Export Application Image. This pulls up a window which shows you the image that you are capturing. Once you're satisfied with it, click Save As Image to store it in your files. The image saves as a .png picture file and can be uploaded to any document or spreadsheet. Now, you can easily analyze the top 100 metros in the United States. This is a powerful analysis tool, so play around with the features to tell your story.